Welcome to our tutorial video for DJI Matrice 4 series, where we will show you how to use DJI AS1 speaker installation and activation. Remove the adapter bracket from the bottom of the speaker. Remove the aircraft E-port cover. Mount the speaker on the top of the aircraft body. Tighten the screws on both sides of the speaker. Use the hex wrench included in the package to tighten them again, ensuring waterproof performance. Power on the aircraft. Make sure the aircraft and the dock are linked. Connect the smartphone to the DJI Dock 3 USB-C port. Open the DJI Enterprise app. It will display an activation page upon first use of the speaker. Please follow the on-screen instructions for activation. When installing the speaker for the first time or replacing the speaker, you need to calibrate the aircraft's compass. Do not touch the speaker during calibration to avoid calibration failure. Features of the speaker. Broadcast in real time. Enter the FlightHub 2 device status window and click on Virtual Cockpit. Click on the Broadcast in real time icon to adjust the volume or click to speak. After the broadcasting ends, click to stop it. Select File to broadcast. Click on the broadcast icon. Click New Record and Broadcast. Click the icon to start recording audio. Click to stop it to complete audio recording. Click the speaker icon. Then the speaker will play the recorded audio. During the broadcasting process, it is able to adjust the volume, enable loop play, or stop the broadcasting. Change the name of the recorded audio in the text box, making it easier to find and use next time. Click on the Record Again icon to record new audio. Click New Text-to-Speech. Enter the title and content in the text box. Click Save. Then the audio file will be added in the list. Click the Settings icon to set the TDS voice. Click the speaker icon to play the audio. Click New Import Audio File. You can import audio from local files. The size of a single audio file should be within 10 megabytes. Flight route usage. Go to Flight Route Library. Click on Create Route. Select the route type, the aircraft, the model, and the speaker. Name the flight route and click OK. Set the reference takeoff point. Select the flight route icon. Click to quickly add waypoints. Set the waypoints for starting or stopping the broadcasting. Adjust the speaker volume. Add audio to the broadcasting list, which supports record and broadcast and import audio file. Select the audio file. Save the flight route. Speaker firmware update. Mount the speaker to the aircraft. Use DJI Assistant 2 Enterprise Series or DJI FlightHub 2 to remotely update aircraft firmware. The speaker firmware will be updated, along with the aircraft firmware. Speaker usage tips. Once the speaker is installed, the aircraft's propulsion performance will be affected. The upward obstacle sensing will be disabled. Pay attention to the flight environment. Do not use the speaker at close range or in an urban area where noise-sensitive structures are concentrated to avoid accidents or injuries. It is not recommended to play alarm sounds or other single-tone audio to avoid causing irreversible damage to the speaker. The aircraft can be directly stored in the carrying case. With the speaker installed, speaker combination mode. Mount the spotlight on the top of the aircraft body first. Tighten the screws on both sides of the spotlight. Remove the port cover on the top of the spotlight. Turn over the cover and place it in the groove at the rear of the spotlight. Then remove the adapter bracket from the bottom of the speaker. Attach the speaker to the top of the spotlight. Use the hex wrench included in the package to tighten them again, ensuring waterproof performance.